In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a task private or public in ClickUp. Actually, making a task private or public is quite simple. Just follow these simple steps. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to the specific task that you would like to make private or public. For my case, I have my tasks under these spaces. So I'll go ahead and click on this space. And you can see I have quite a number of projects. However, my tasks are under project, so I'll click on project 1, and this will go ahead and open all the tasks that are under this project. So I'd like to go ahead and make this task 2 private. To make it private, just head over to this ellipsis here and click on it, and down here go ahead and click on sharing and permissions. If you click on this, now we have an option to make private here. This means this task is public. So if I click on make private, now you can see this task has been made private, and you can see we have a lock next to the task. So to make it public, again, just head over to sharing and permissions, and to remove this lock, go ahead and click on make public. Now you have to note that if the task is public, anyone can view it, and if it is private, you can only view it with the people whom you have shared the private link with. Otherwise, the task will only be visible to you. So that's how you can make task private or public in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.